just in. 2 friends killed in a lethal car crash. Ryan, tell us more.
Thanks, Mark. Here are the 2 victims of the crash. Obviously, you can see that they are very dead. Now back to you, Mark, with more information.
Thanks, Ryan. Here we have the coroner with more information on how the boys were killed and how they might have been saved.
Yes, I believe that the cause of the deaths was that they were not wearing a seatbelt at all. You see, if you're not wearing your seatbelt, you are thrown from the vehicle and you die on impact with the ground. Because you see, when you hit ground will win. And they believed that they would have lived in a car crash if they had not wearing the seatbelts, but they were sadly mistaken. Now, if you want to know more information about seatbelts and why they are a very great idea, then you should go to www.wearyourseatbeltordie.com.
Thank you, coroner.
12,000 lives are saved every year by seatbelts. Please wear your seatbelt.